go down here and turn around and come back up.
All right. All right. It's finally home. '84 Buick Grand National. No T-type parody. We're talking about the real thing. Real deal. Rats and all. Man. As crappy as this looks, I don't even care. I'm just so happy that I have one. I can't believe it. Now, I've bought some cars and had like regret later on. Not even regret, but just like some type of trepidation, but this may be worse than the Supra. This might be the worst. But the upside is so sweet on it. Like, just imagine what it's going to be like when it's done, you know? Anyway, let me give you guys the tour. So, '84, 65,000 miles, digital dash. It's got, this is probably the worst of it. That thing there, rust hold right up in here. You already see the interior. It goes the headliner. At least it's a factory sunroof. I was concerned about that, but something right here. Seals inside rusted away, rotten away, I should say. I didn't want him scraping the bottom, and I figured I would probably be taking a look underneath it at some point, so I asked him just to put it up in the air for me. But I'll save the engine until later. So good thing here, whole front end is off of it. Broken mounting tabs, but I get to flex some fiberglass skills later. A few more dings on the fender there. And busted. Not really sure how this is supposed to go in. If it looks complete, but later. Peeling paint there. This whole quarter is nice, like no dinks. Trunk lid's nice. Missing the fuel door, cracked tail lights. I don't know what that piece is. Maybe like a little valance or cover trim piece that's missing there. Yeah, baby. That's right. That's right. International, baby. Looks good. It's good. What did you do, Bernard? Oh, look at that. Muscle and Fitness. Wonder when this is from. January 92. Ooh, yeah, she's stacked. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, that's the sill plate for the other side. In better days. Old school Energizer batteries, that's for sure. Okay, that looks stained, so I don't know if they got water intrusion there. Yeah, good amount of rust there. This other corner rotting away. Let's see the other side of that door. So, period correct grill. I'm going to resist the temptation to black out that chrome. Header panel, that saves about $400, but good amount of fiberglass work ahead of me. Let's see what's underneath here. The hood is not intact, so it's not like bolted down or anything, so try to save myself from tetanus as well. There we go. It looks like on the 84s they put the turbo in the back, but all the videos that I see of the newer ones, they're like right here. But yeah, it just looks like unmessed with. Well, it's definitely messed with, because I can see there's like modules and relays over there just chilling out. Nothing tacked into the hood. No battery, of course, but yeah, wow. Yeah, this last time it was registered 93. So this thing has been sitting for 27 years. And we're gonna get it running. We will. It's gonna be glorious too. Thank you guys for watching this video. I have so much more content ready for you, not only on the Grand National, but several of the other cars and bikes you saw outside today. So please like, share, subscribe, and let's grow the channel. Let's bring the content that you guys want to see. And in the next video, plan to show you even more about the Grand National. We'll even try to turn it over, try to get that engine running. Let's see what's in store for this. I'm excited to get it back on the road. Peace.